Hi, dear friends. Nice to see you again. Hope all is well. This is First Pen. Um, I'm a web and mobile developer based in New York City. Welcome to my video series, CodeShare, React, and React Native. Today's video 2.4's agenda is React Native app. We want to use Redux to render data for React Native project. The last video 2.3 we were experiencing the same problem as React app. That's when we key in messages in here. When we submit, it is successfully saving the new message at the back end, but at the same time, it doesn't render right away. We need to refresh before we can see the new message. And as in the React video, 1.4, we have analyzed, and the explanation is that we're missing management of global state because at the time, before we click the submit button, the list of messages component state has this 1, 2, 3, 4 messages. At the time we click the submit, it actually changes the state of the add message component and make the writing data successful, but it doesn't impact the list of messages component, so the state is still 4 messages, so it doesn't render the new messages at the bottom. So what we're going to do is going to implement Redux as we did for the React app so that we can use a global state management system to make the immediate rendering possible. So let's start with npm install Redux and React Redux. And because of the shareability between React and React Native, especially the Redux codes, I expect today's video will be much shorter. So let's see. So as we remember, in our React project, we create a new folder called Redux with actions, constants, reducers, and store. The good news is that 100% of all these codes that take us a lot of time in the React video, all these are shareable, 100%. So what we can do is just go to the folder and share the code. So go to the React project under src. There's the Redux. We were working so hard to do the coding, get it ready for React project's Redux folder. Now we can just borrow it from there. So we just copy Redux, go back to React Native project, go to src at the same level with components and utils, just paste items, and it's all done. Task 2, we're going to update index.js. Again, share code. Go back to index.js in the React project, just copy paste. We need import React and React component, just paste it here. We need this 2 lines, copy paste. share. And be careful, the folder structure is slightly different. So in here, we need src. And everything else is the same. For here, copy, paste. And again, replace message box with app because message box component is wrapped up between providers. So this is done. And we also go to the list messages component, which is here. And again, share code from React projects list messages component. Just exactly the same thing. Copy paste, share code, put it down here. Well, we need this too. Okay, connect, actions. Then we need this part. So we basically comment out this, and we need this. This props message received results. Oh, here, slightly different, they cause a bug. And in here, replace state with props. Replace state with props. And at the bottom, everything is the same. Just go here, copy paste, and paste here. And now we should be done. So just go to the simulator to see if it works. So we Command D, make the remote debug. Let's see what happens. So let's see. Inspect console. So you see, as we expected, we see the two sets of the console log. First is component did mount, which is within React Native project list messages. In here, it says component did mount, and then console log the messages. And then the second one, if you look at it carefully, it says messages underscore receive. As you remember, this is within the Redux of the message reducer. In here, or copy paste. So this is what we console log. So we have the proof that we actually in here we were console log Redux, meaning React and Redux has been connected in the list messages component, and where it renders here is actually from Redux. So next video, we are going to, in the video 2.5, in the React Native project, we're going to use Redux to write data back to the backend and to achieve our ultimate goal to be able to render the real time the new messages down here when we click button, and that will be very, very, very exciting, and I look forward to it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.